Greetings, everyone. Just a look on my structure on the USD US dollar. I just want to share this as an update on the Euro US dollar. Apparently, what I've been looking at on the Euro US dollar from this moment here, falling from here, I've been looking at this as a leading diagonal, ending diagonal, if I can say, as an ending diagonal of an ABC correction to the downside. So if you look at this whole move that is coming down here, it is a downtrend. So uh, the market moves up and down, up or down. So if there's a downtrend, there's obviously going to be an end of that downtrend. So what I was looking at, I was looking at this move here as the way for this one here. We wanted this to come back down like this, give us this structure here, and push a little bit up before it comes to the downside, right? But it looks very much changed. This structure has changed, uh, which is why I'm updating it. We're having this as one, two, three, there, four, the four. This is all the four. We wanted this to give us an expanded flat or running flat to give us four, but it looks like this three wave structure is all the four, and we are running to the downside for a five. Okay, so we what does it tells me? It tells us that we might be looking for the end of this correction for a five. Okay, some might look at this in a different look. It's fine. So some might look at this as a running flat, this whole piece here that is running here. Some might look at this as a running flat, look at this as a wave that is going down, and look at this as a last wave that is going down. So it means some might look at this as a three-wave structure, maybe labeling it as an ABC, this whole move, ABC that is going to be terminating here. So internals, which is going to be in a W here, which is going to be an X over here, and a Y over here. Okay, so some might look at it like that. It's fine, but either way, it it's a clear structure that this is an end and we are about to go up. Similar to the silver structure, if you go through my videos on what you call YouTube, you'll see that we have this structure that we are currently doing has already happened on silver, and we are doing it now on Euro US dollar. We are doing this structure now on Euro US dollar. So we're waiting for this to push to the downside. So if anyone anyone can be able to trade this, you can still pickpocket this. You can take trades here just to pickpocket small trades, just to yeah, but wait for the move to the upside. So over these areas, over these areas that this is trading, I'm waiting for this to give some reversal patterns. We're gonna be swinging all the way to the upside, minimum to that area, to that QML. That's the minimum, because once we get to that area here, to that QML, we're probably going to be getting a correction. So it means if this reverses, it's probably going to be giving us a lower time frame correction, which is going to be a lower time frame, either wave one or stuff like that, started to correct to give us a bigger wave one. So if it gives a bigger wave one, what are you going to expect? You're going to expect that you're going to get a bigger correction that will probably rally to the upside, get to this QML, give you another wave, which is going to be maybe wave three over this area, you see, and continue to the upside, similar to silver. But we're going to respect this one. We're going to be respecting this QML. Maybe it's going to be deeper. It will depend. So it's either here you can get maybe a sideways correction before push to the upside. You're going to see. So it means here you need to see if you get a smaller correction on a smaller time frame, you'll be expecting that, yeah, probably they might give a bigger correction. So if you see the structure, throwing a structure from here, it means they might break this structure, come back deeply with a deeper correction. So once we get this deeper correction, therefore we'll be sure that this is gonna push all the way to the upside, because it's not going to be a small correction that is going to send the way all the way to the upside. But we're gonna wait for this smaller correction to give us a pickpocketing trade. Therefore, if we look at this, it's gonna be, let's just mention this like this. If you're gonna look at this, it's gonna be a move like this, maybe a correction like that, maybe a move like that, a correction again, a move like that. Can give you a 5-wave structure that breaks the structure. If it breaks the structure, it probably gonna give you this move, which is going to be a correction that corrects as a wave 2. So therefore, after that is complete, therefore we are sure, if we get this bigger correction, we are sure that we are going to catch a bigger move to the upside. Minimum, we're going to take our profit at that QML. So if you are a swing trader, you're going to take your profit into that QML. But you know that if this move impulsively to the upside is going to keep pushing, keep correction, pushing, keep correction, that's how it's going to go. So once we get to that area, we obviously gonna get another correction, right? That's gonna give us our wave 5. So our trading with this move to the upside is gonna be ending there. Therefore, we're gonna expect that this is gonna start giving a bigger correction if it wants to do a 3-wave structure to the upside. That's how we can plan to trade this. But here, I I think I can look for other pairs to trade, because this is coming just to the end of this move and it's ready to push to the upside, right? So whoever can trade this, you can use your own strategy to trade this to the downside, right? But probably it's going to push to the upside very much soon. Therefore, there is nothing better than waiting for this trend to start giving signals that there is trend reversal. So there's gonna be an end of this downtrend here. It's gonna be coming. This downtrend is coming to an end. It's coming. It's probably coming to an end, and we are ready to go all the way to the upside. Okay, that's what we're waiting for. All right. Uh, my PC is quite so slowly. Unfortunately, I cannot go through the silver because of this. It's so slowly. I want to show these labelings here. I don't know what's happening. It doesn't want to open. And maybe let me just keep waiting a few seconds. It's gonna start loading. But what I can tell you is that this structure has already happened on silver. This structure that we're looking at has already happened on silver. You can see that this bounce that is going down, we had the bounce here, we had the bounce here. This is a bounce that is going down. Therefore, there's a possibility that this first bounce that we see here, a second bounce there, a third bounce over there, you can see that debt bound. Maybe you can anticipate that you can take your trade into this debt bound, or if you are selling this, you can take your profit into this debt bound. Okay, because I cannot promote and say to you maybe on this debt bound buy. You see, because wave 5 can even push, just break the structure like that, break the structure and push to the upside, because there's what you call wave 5 can extend out of the structure. But this is a structure that I'm looking at. It's a 2-wave structure, is complete with this ending diagonal. You see, we had the first impulse to the downside, a correction in 3 waves, and another impulse, which is an ending at diagonal. Therefore, I'm expecting that this is going to do this, push to the upside. However, I'm waiting for this bounce. I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to trade this bounce, but on a smaller time frame, if I get something, an indication here, and a correction. Therefore, I can take a move that maybe can complete an impulse to the upside with my group. Therefore, I'll be sending this to my group, complete this impulse up. Once this impulse up is complete, therefore, we'll be start taking our profits, preparing ourselves for this correction that's going to build, which is going to be a bigger correction. You see, it can come and do what you call a double top, I mean a double bottom. Double bottom does not invalidate the fact that this is wave 2. So it can come and take this low, push to the upside. but we're still going to be looking at this as wave two. Okay, because as long as this does not cross through wave one, the beginning of wave one, therefore it will remain wave two. Therefore, we're gonna wait for this. If this comes to this, or this, if this ends, this wave two ends, it's gonna give us a small correction. That small correction you're gonna get here, I think it's gonna be our entry for long trade. Therefore, whoever is gonna keep planning your trades, maybe at this higher, the end of wave one, you're going to take some of your profit, leave some, expect to get another entry. You see, that's where our trade to the upside, we're going to plan to trade this thing all the way to the upside. But wait for this to give a bounce, give a pattern, a reversal pattern over here, and trade all the way to the upside. Minimum to this one, because once we get to this area here, we're going to start getting maybe a deeper correction, therefore push to the upside. As I said, this can give us a what we call the five wave structure. These cars can also give us a three wave structure if this pushes all impulsively to the upside, and so what they get once they get to that point, they want to give a correction like that, right? They want to give a correction like that. Maybe this is an impulse, then a correction. It means they will give it just an ABC structure like that. Okay, which is going to be a zigzag corrective structure to the upside like that, ABC. So whatever structure the market gives, we trade a structure, right? What you can expect now, the structure is quite clear that this is coming to an end. This is coming to an end over here. Therefore, we're going to expect to trade it to the upside, right? I'll be sharing this to my team. This trade to the upside, this on the euro US dollar. What does it tells you? It tells you also that on the DXY, if the DXY is busy pushing to the upside, right? Once this going up goes up, the DXY will do the opposite, will goes to the front. So there's good trades coming on the dollar index as well as the euro US dollar. Okay, that's me. Uh, all the information you need to know about joining the group and stuff like that below this link. There's my WhatsApp number and also the Telegram direct Telegram number. Right. All right, guys. Cheers. Have a lovely one. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Bye.